Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Japan's exports will be released at 23:50 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 4:30 GMT. The Portuguese current account balance at 10 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 20:30 GMT. Japan's imports at 23:50 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks finished near the unchanged mark, with market sentiment weakened by the downgrade of the federal government's perfect sovereign credit rating owing to its huge debt profile. Moody's slashed the US sovereign credit rating, citing the government's $36 trillion outstanding debt and interest. Tether, the $150 billion stablecoin issuance giant, has surpassed Germany in United States Treasury bill holdings, showcasing the benefits of a diversified reserve strategy that has helped the firm navigate the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Oil prices traded steady as signs of a breakdown in US talks with Iran over its nuclear program offset pressure from a Moody's downgrade of the US sovereign credit rating.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.6% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.